Hi and welcome to the course. If you have ever dreamed of building stunning 3D environments like the ones you see in games, films and virtual productions, this is the perfect place to start. In this course, you will start from the very basics. You will learn about what environment design is, why it's important and how it plays a key role in storytelling, world building and user experience. You'll also learn how environment design has evolved over time and where the future of this exciting field is heading to. From there, we'll move into Unreal Engine 5, one of the most powerful real-time engines used in the industry today. We'll cover how to install Unreal Engine 5, how to navigate its interface, and explore the tools that environment artists use on a daily basis. In this course, you will learn about creating and sculpting realistic landscapes, applying materials and textures, setting up lighting to match different moods and times of the day, adding foliage like trees, plants and grass, and implementing water features like rivers, lakes and oceans. But the best way to learn is by doing, and that's why this course includes 6 hands-on projects designed to help you practice and apply what you've learned. You'll build environments like an old village, a nighttime city, a mountainous landscape and a dense forest. We'll also have a special project for Liberty Island, where you'll put together everything you've learned to create a cinematic game-ready scene from real-world New York, Liberty Island. Your instructor for this course will be Sharifa, and she will tell you more about the course.
Welcome to the exciting course on environment design in Unreal Engine 5. We will start from the basic and grab your skills step by step. In this course, you will learn what environment design is and why it matters, how to use Unreal Engine 5, one of the best tools for creating 3D environment, how to build realistic landscape, add light, texture, tree, water and more. And most importantly, you will create 6 fun and creative projects that help you practice everything you learn. Together, we will also build a special project, powerful final project that brings together all your new skills in one beautiful environment. By the end of this course, you will not only understand environment design, you will have the confidence and tools to build your own 3D worlds.
This course is beginner friendly. You don't need any experience in game development, 3D art or Unreal Engine. All you need is a computer that can run Unreal Engine, a little patience and a passion for creating. So if you're ready to start building beautiful, immersive environments and bring your creative ideas to life, enroll now and to learn environment designing in Unreal Engine 5.